Power Automate pricing. Now, before understanding Power Automate and how to build flows, we have to know if this technology is for us and if we can use it in our business, if the ROI is going to make sense for us using this technology. So let's understand the licensing behind Power Automate. Now, Power Automate Desktop is entirely free. Now, Power Automate Desktop, we can download it from My Flows, from the Flow platform. We can go to My Flows and we can install it right here, and it's entirely free. So that takes care of Power Automate Desktop. However, Power Automate Flow has a little bit more of a complex pricing structure that is also evolving over time, because they're adding more add-ons to it and they're making it more competitive and more in line with other RPA tools in the market. The basic account is $15 per month, and this allows you to build unlimited flows. Well, not really unlimited flows. You have a 600 flow limit on one account, and you can build up to 600 flows for that one account, and then you will have to probably delete some of your flows or create a new account. There is another plan that is $40 per month, and this gives you access to AI Builder and credits with AI Builder. Much of the power of Flow comes from AI Builder and the simplicity with which you can integrate machine learning and complex algorithms inside of your processes to really automate really complex and really great things, which might also seem simple, but they are complex to automate. So that licensing plan is $40 a month. There is also a per flow plan, which is $500. Therefore, you can build a specific plan or a solution or a flow, package it into a solution and license that for $500 a month. There is also different components and add-ons. It is not just Power Automate Flow that you are getting. You're also getting process mining and desktop and cloud automation. Now we can see that there is different components for each one of these. There is also different add-ons that can be added. So with a $500 add-on with AI Builder, we can get much more access to AI Builder and also support and different features as well. We can also add a $150 per bot per month for unattended RPA, and that is just one additional robot that is doing our processes. It has AI included and everything that we require as well. That is the licensing for Power Automate. I will include the links for the up-to-date licensing because the licensing for Microsoft Power Automate is evolving and changing. I will leave the link down in the description before, but the key takeaways are that there is going to be a 90-day free trial. The free trial usually gets extended. Therefore, you'll probably keep on using it after the 90 days. There is also $15 for a basic user. That is not that much to invest for the power and for the time that it can help us save inside of our processes. On the other side, Power Automate Desktop is entirely free and we can use it forever for free. Well, right now we can use it forever for free without any limitations on the usage. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.